Good morning, class. Today's topic is angle of intersection of two curves. The angle of intersection of two curves is defined to be the angle between the tangent to the curve at their point of intersection. There are two curves. First is y equal f1x and second curve is y equal f2x, and it is the point of intersection of both these curves, and let it is x1 comma y1. Now the angle of intersection of two curves is defined to be the angle between the tangent to the curve, means the tangent at point x1 comma y1, let it is given by PTQ. The T is the point of intersection, and the tangent on first curve is MTN. These are tangents on first curve and second curve at their point of intersection. Then the angle of intersection of two curves is defined to be the angle between the tangent to the curve at their point of intersection, means the angle between the curve is, let it is theta, and theta is the angle between two curves. Which intersect each other at point x1 comma y1. The tangent on first curve, means first curve y equal f1x. Let the tangent at first curve makes an angle phi with the positive direction of x-axis. Phi 1 with the positive direction of x-axis, and the angle and the tangent on second curve makes an angle phi 2, makes angle phi 2 with the positive direction of x-axis. Means the tangent PTQ makes an angle phi 1 with positive direction of x-axis, and the second tangent. The tangent on first curve makes an angle phi 1, and the tangent on second curve, it is f2x and it is f1x. The tangent on first curve makes an angle phi 1, and the tangent on second curve makes an angle phi 2 with the positive direction of x-axis. First tangent is PTQ and second is MTQ. Then since phi 2 is exterior angle of triangle TAB, phi 2 is exterior angle of triangle TAB, then phi 2 equal theta plus phi 1. Then value of theta is phi 2 minus phi 1. Then tan theta equal tan phi 2 minus phi 1, and we know that tan A minus B is given by the formula tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan phi 2 means tan phi 2. Slope of tan phi 2 is the slope of tangent MTN, means tan phi 2 is slope of tangent on first curve so it is equal M2, and tan phi 1 tan phi 2 means slope of tangent on second curve, M2, and is slope of tangent on first curve equal M1. Then the value of tan theta is given by M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2, where M2 means d f2x by dx at point x1 y1, minus M1 means d f1x at point x1 y1 by M2 minus M1 means slope of tangent, 1 plus M1 means d f1x by dx at x1 comma y1, and similarly df2x dx at point x1 comma y1. Then angle between two curves is given by the formula tan theta equal slope of first tangent, slope of second tangent minus slope of first tangent, 1 plus slope of second tangent into slope of first tangent. Slope of first or second tangent is defined as which slope is greater, means if M2 is greater than M1, then formula is M2 minus M1. If m1 is greater than m2, then formula is m1 minus m2. Now orthogonal curve, if the angle between two tangent at the point of intersection on two curve is right angle, then these curves are called orthogonal curve, and their or we say the curves intersect orthogonally. Now if the angle between two tangent is 90 degree, means tan 90 equal m2 minus m1 1 plus m1 m2. Tan 90 is given by infinite is equal 1 by 0, then we get m1 equal m1 plus m2, sorry, m1 m2 plus 1 equal 0. We put infinite as 1 by 0 and cross multiply. From here we have the formula m1 m2 equal minus 1. If this means if the slope of tangent on first curve into slope of tangent to the second curve equal minus 1, then these two curves intersect each other at right angle, or we say the curve intersect orthogonally, means product of slope of tangent on two curves, means df1x by dx at point of intersection x1 y1 into df2x by dx x1 comma y1 is equal minus 1, means product of slope of tangent on two curves is equal minus 1. The angle between is 0, that is tan 0 equal m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Tan 0 means it is equal 0. Then we have m2 equal m1, means if the angle of intersection of two curve is 0 degree, then slope of tangent on first curve is equal to slope of tangent on second curve. That is slope of tangent on first curve is equal to slope of tangent on second curve then we say both curves touches each other. Means if the slope of tangent on first curve is equal to the slope of tangent on second curve at their point of intersection, then both curves touches each other